Hello, I'm Valerie Gabail, and I'm a vocal coach based in London. I'm the founder and director of the Professional Voice Trainer, a company which helps singers, actors, and business professionals master their voice, British accent, and presentation skills, both in French and in English. My background is in the classical music industry as an opera singer. For more than 20 years, I've been performing on stage and in concert halls, connecting with audiences around the world. I'm passionate about teaching methods and the world of actors, and I gained a master's degree in voice and speech pedagogy at the Royal Central School of Speech and Drama in London. Today, I combine my interest in both the speaking and the singing world. And this is what I would like to share with you in this YouTube channel. Insights first, on singing techniques, to shed some light on too often vague concepts like posture, support, breath management, resonance, articulation, but also performance psychology, career management, and good read suggestions to help you go deeper into your technical and professional development. On the other hand, I will focus on the spoken voice, sharing with you information and strategies on accent reduction training, public speaking, and communication skills. I will also invite some special guests to come and share their expertise and experience on the various aspects of voice and speech training. This channel aims to support you in your vocal and professional development and provide you with clear explanations on what can often sound somewhat mysterious: our voice, how to use it, and communicate with it. I look forward to this journey with you. Stay tuned for the next videos and feel free to subscribe for the latest updates.